Two Cuban women gone missing in Montego Bay, St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two Cuban nationals of Seville Avenue Great Hill Minor in Montego Bay, St. James have gone missing. One of them has been missing since April the 3rd and the other has been missing since March 15, 2024. They have been identified as Camila Gonzalez and Lena Maria Platundo Planas. Planas is aged 21 years old and has been missing since April the 3rd. She is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 150 centimeters or 4 feet 11 inches tall, while Gonzalez, who went missing on March 15, is 27 years old and Caucasian medium built and is around 150 centimeters or 4 feet 11 inches tall. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that both Planas and Gonzalez were last seen at home around 8 a.m. on their respective days. They have not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of these individuals is being asked to contact the Montego Bay police at 876-684-9080, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.